Still using spreadsheets to budget? It's time to let AI do the heavy lifting and make your financial life easier in 2025. Meet Clio, your sassy AI budgeting assistant. Clio tracks your spending and isn't shy about keeping you honest. She'll even roast you when you overspend. Budgeting just got a little more fun. You Need a Budget, now powered by AI, predicts your future expenses and helps you optimize savings goals. Smart forecasting means stress-free planning for tomorrow. Copilot Money uses machine learning to automatically categorize your spending and deliver real-time insights. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. Ready to save smarter in 2025? Try one of these AI budgeting tools and let your money work for you. The future of finance is here. Take control and watch your savings grow. Like and subscribe for more smart money tips, and let us know your favorite budgeting app in the comments.